What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a sign up form on your Brevo account to create something like a lead generation funnel, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to brevo.com, create your account. You can create for free, no worries, and you're gonna be able to see this on your dashboard, okay? Then we have Home into the left sidebar of menus, CRM, Marketing, Automations. Go to Marketing and go to the submenu Forms. Then, as you can see, we have no forms, so I'm gonna hit the upper right corner of my screen button, Create Sign Up Form. It can be a full page embed or a pop-up, up to you, okay? And of course, to your needs. Now, a form name can be Visualmodo, just like this. Create form. Now you can choose the design. You can see how it gonna look on mobile and on desktop, okay? We have title, text, image, in the case that you need, divider, and some attributes. Simple choices, checkboxes, multiple choices. Something important that you need to know about it, okay? Biggest is the form, hardest is to receive something from it, okay? So I recommend that you always do forms as simple as possible. In the case that you want someone to subscribe on your newsletter, this is the perfect form, okay? You need no much more. Then into the form design, you can change the background. You can choose an image to be your background, for example. Writing direction, text, the button style, the button size, alerts, in the case that I want, spacings, in the case that I want, all that you need, okay? Can be customized right here. After making the form into the way that you need, you can go to next. Here's the form. We strongly recommend to use reCAPTCHA confirmation prevent spam bots, up to you as well, okay? You can select a list or create a list to receive these contact forms. I'm gonna select this one. Next. Now, confirmations. Double confirmation of email, up to you, okay? Simple confirmation email. A single confirmation email will be sent after submitted. No confirmation email. So, up to you, okay? In the case that you want that someone confirms the email, you can use some template, or you can use a simple confirmation email. You can send a person to a page after confirming the email, in the case that you want, or no confirmation email, okay? Up to you and to your needs. Go to next. You can change the success message, invalid user, error message, or empty field texts, okay? For example, in the case that you want to change the language. And here is your form. You can share the form by right here or downloading a QR code for the form. So if someone hits the link, you're gonna be able to see our newsletter form, okay? And of course, you can download a QR code to print into your business, for example. Then we have an iframe of the form. You have the HTML of the form and the simple HTML of the form, okay? I recommend that you always work with the HTML, okay? It's my favorite options and the simple one that really works. After, you can copy this HTML and embed on your site, okay? And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best. Just a note before we go. We can see all the signups right here, the unsubscribe right here, and the profile updates right here, okay? And the forms numbers.